No, Reine.
Yeah.
Just chill for a moment and look at the beautiful scenery and think back. How do you feel after 6 months of being in Hololive?
Wow. This feels like a quiz.
Kissing.
Oh, wow. Very nice, romantic. Mwah. Yes! My man. Wait, no. The rose is for you. Kiara senpai. It's my declaration of love for you. See?
I'll take it.
Man! We're gonna swim to celebrate our
And
victory.
take a shower together.
Take a shower together. Nice. Very refreshing. Yay.
In front of her nose again. Yeah, exactly.
And then I'm gonna dash. I'm gonna dash. Oh no.
I don't want to. Sorry, Reina. I had to sacrifice you.
Okay, be real. Do you ever sing in the shower with your KO as your microphone, Kiara?
No, because I'm not a real cat. That's the thing. I take these things off when I go into the shower. If you want to know the details, I can show you pictures.
Are they a plug-in type?
As I said, I can show you pictures.
Yeah, and then so the Asian Mart, they also have like some sort of like a boba shop. So I bought ananis because Mama niece and Papa niece didn't want anything. So I was like, I'll buy ananis. She's working hard at home. I'll get her boba, you know. Ananis, I bought you some boba. And then she was like, oh, what flavor? I was like, it's red bean. And she's like, I don't like red beans.
Alright, select job. I want to do Edgefield Street House. Let's look at that. Recommended size 2 team, a 2-story 6-bedroom house with a basement. Got an email from a friend. He says there's definitely some kind of paranormal activity there. Head there and gather as much evidence as you can, so Ghost Removal team can go. Okay, that's Edgefield Street House. Then we've got Brown High School and Bleasdale Farmhouse. So let's see what we got for, what is Bleasdale Farmhouse? A 2-story, 3-bedroom farmhouse with an attic. That might be nice. Got an email from a friend, kind of normal, super normal. You look so cute right now.
Oh, sorry, I was yawning. Sorry.
It's adorable.
It's a big one. Ah, cute.
Cool. Cute.
ありがとう。ジャストアナザービデオレスチャンネルさん。ねねち、私があなたと結婚して、あなたがイナさんと結婚しているなら、私もイナさんと結婚していることになるの？これはね、とっても難しい問題だ。ね、ジャパニーズ挨拶やってみて、いいな。殴ってねねのこと。
やば。
うん、いいよ。
やば。
イナちゃんの使った水、ちょっと保管しときたいな。バケツ取ってくるわ。
気持ち悪いな、あの人。
Nenechi, if I'm married to you and you're married to Ina, does that mean I'm married to Ina too?
That's tough question. And the answer is no. Thank you. Oh, live. Hello.
Wow.
Goomba. Goomba. What does Goomba say?
But you can like switch into it and it'll say it.
I don't hear anything.
ちょっと疲れたな。ちょっと頭休めよ。休もう。Should I start eating my pineapples? They're probably gonna give me energy, don't they? I feel like pineapples have some kind of something some kind of vitamin in them that gives me energy. This popular fruit is packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and other helpful compounds such as enzymes. Yeah! Oh my god, what? What does pineapple juice do sexually? Drinking a good-sized glass of pineapple juice a couple of hours before the deed can help make your bodily fluids. Oh, no. No!
You know, can't believe it's been so long since. Oh, the lag. I'm going into the light. Goodbye, cruel world. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. Deja vu. What should I do? It's nighttime, I can't do anything. Yabe. Well, what a day. Oh! What? Time started moving again. Nani? I'm so confused. No, yes, come back! No, come back! No!
I guess we should do like a big piece to like end it. So like we can try and time it, but I'll do a clap, and when I clap, you say peace. Okay?
Okay.
Here we go, everyone. All right, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. 3, 2, 1. Peace!
Peace! I didn't hear the clap! Peace!
It's okay. No, let's do it one more time. It's fine. We got it this. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Peace!
Peace!
When you hear me say 1, you say peace, okay?
Yeah, roger.
We got it this time. Okay, this is for real this time. Okay, bye, guys. Catch you later. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Peace! Yay, I matched it up with you. Bye-bye!
Yeah! Please be clothed. Oh, my jiggles!
You're sweet. All right, I'll help you.
I don't think there's any use.
Slouch yourself.
Yatta!
Yeah, the bell tolls for them. Get out here, you dummies. Oh no, I have the hiccups. No! No! No, I won't. No. Ah!
Mozambique psycho.
No strong.
Strong! Mozambique strong. Hey! Happy? No! Mozambique da! Ah, Mozambique.
No strong Mozambique.
Very strong Mozambique. Growing.
Mozambique.
I have a Mozambique and I don't want it. 汚いダービーじゃん。汚い。Let's go get Silver! Come on. Oh no, we can't get it. What the f? That was not me. Okay, guys, that was not me. That was the character in the game. What the hell? Why would you do that? People are gonna clip that and be like, oh, that was Kiara. She fired it on stream game! What's the game? 何してくれんのよ。キアラがおならしたって切り抜きされるで。
I like when Callie does the yeah. Callie's the type to say, "Hey, listen," and then you go, "I'm listening," and then she doesn't say anything after that. Hey, you listen here. Hey, you listen here right now. Okay, Callie, I'm listening. And then nothing afterwards. Next meme.
どんどん見ていきましょう。お、これは
Oh, this one.
これね、すごい面白いんだよ。スイちゃん。これスイちゃんとカナタね。This is Anemachi, her older sister. スイちゃん sister. アネマチ。スライアンドアバタンって閉めてね。送り出してんですね。おDavid, this is not the one to want me coming in the night for you.
Yeah.
Are you アネマチさんですか？おかしいよ、なんだよ。ちょっと確かにでもな、共通点を感じるんだよな。
Well, listen.
I'm listening. 聞きましょう。
There's nothing after that. Listen.
Yes. Mika! Two! Mika. Taco! Wait, what's next? Mika! Mika! Do I make my own ink? No, I'm human. Do you make your own ink? Yes? Oh. I would highly suggest you go to see the doctor. Ame said she inked? No. That must have been one of those like shady back alley deals where it's like we have normal ink, normal black ink, but we're gonna sell it. And sell it to the black market. Sell it as Ina's ink.
I'm gonna go wash my hands because it's starting to get hot in here.
Okay.
Yee. All right, so I'll be back in just a moment, but you guys feel free to continue talking. I'll just be under the table.
Gura.
Unknown for age.
Gura, you want some
name?
chicken?
Some chicken.
Sure. Okay. There you go. Ah, wait, this one. Yeah. Let's take some chicken. Yeah.
Mom. Thank you.
You want to? Wait.
Yeah.
How long have they been in your hands for? Are you sure it's fresh?
Hey, no, those are fresh. I actually didn't have them in my hands for a while now.
8 months.
Oh, okay.
I just ordered some fresh ones. Also, who wants to fight? Fight me!
Wait, hold on. You see Ame?
You see Ina, now you don't see Ina.
Nice tentacles.
Wait, me with tentacles. Look at that. How does that look? Things that could have been, but
Oh, if
are not. Oh, Phoenix tentacles. Yosho. Let me put down my weapons. I don't want to hit good on her head. She already got hit too often with other
They don't bonk me again. It's okay, I'm used to it.
To catch them all. Catch all the monsters. Huh? Kelly. 死んだね。
死んだね。失礼しますが死んだね。
どうしたカリちゃん。多分すぐ戻ってくる。
聞こえますか？いいね。
渡辺先輩、てて二人。大好き、渡辺先輩。ちょっと渡辺先輩のホーンズ、角をちょっとかじっていいでしょうか。
もぐもぐしたい。クロワッサンじゃないよ。
With kangaroos. like what do you expect kangaroo? Okay, how to draw a kangaroo? Like when you're little, you're just like, oh my god, kangaroos, they're so cute. They have their like little baby in their little pocket and they like jump around all day. Like, oh, kangaroos are so cute. And you see a picture of a real kangaroo and it's just like, you know what's scarier? You know what's scarier? The Australians who are able to put these wild creatures into a zoo. They are scary. Another level. Never underestimate Australians. Built different. Do you hear it? The voices of Hachama.